An equation is shown below. 8/3 x plus 48.5 equals y. Which equation can be used to determine the value of x when y equals 28.1? So this is going to require some substitution here. So what we're going to take is the y is going to come out of our problem, and we're going to substitute in the 28.1. So now what I have is 8/3 x, or 8/3x, plus 48.5 equals what we just substituted in, which is the 28.1. Notice our multiple choice options, and the question is asking us to essentially solve for x. So we have multiple parts we have to move there. We have the 8/3 and the 48.5. We know that when we solve for variables, we typically move the number not attached to the variable first. So in order to move the 48.5 on the left to the right, we're going to subtract that. Typically, we would combine these, but notice the multiple choice options that we have here, they kept it as two separate parts. Just knowing this first part of subtracting 48.5, that helps us to eliminate the following multiple choice options. We can eliminate A as a correct answer because it has a plus. And we can eliminate option D, just knowing that one part alone. Now I have, again, 8/3 or 8/3x equals that 28.1, which is the value we had to substitute earlier, and then the minus the 48.5. And then from here, we really have multiple options here. We could do it all at once, take it step by step, but to stay in alignment with what they did, if we have a fraction that we're trying to move from one side to the other side, what they ended up doing was multiplying by the reciprocal. So 8/3 is to multiply by 3/8 is the reciprocal. We know that when we multiply things, we have to do that what's on one side to the other side, and since the other side had more than one thing being added or subtracted, we have to distribute that in or use parentheses if we do not distribute. Theoretically, we could have also divided by 8/3, but dividing by a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So then what I get as a final answer is this. X equals our 28.1 minus the 48.5, all being multiplied by 3/8. And we know that order of multiplication does not matter, so which one does this best align with in our multiple choice options? And we would select this one right here, option B.